Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I've got an awesome 69 Cyclone. This baby's an R code. She's got the numbers matching 428. She's a 4-speed. She's got black interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. Now go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com because we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the underside. We're gonna get the hood up so you can check out under the hood. We're gonna get in the interior. We're gonna show you the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a good decision on your Mercury investment. So come on up and let's take a look at this R code. Look at this beautiful car. The grille looks great, and don't forget, they don't make these cars anymore, and they made very few of these Cyclones. To see a grille in that great a shape, awesome. Bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. Trim on the nose looks good. The paint on the hood is phenomenal. Hood scoop looks good. The hood pins look great. Look at that gap there. Look how nice it matches up to the front fender, and man, is that paint smooth. Magnums look good. Wheel lip moldings look great. The door matches up nice here and flush with the fender. The stainless around the windshield looks good. Door handle looks awesome. And look at these door jambs. Absolutely beautiful. Paintwork here looks good. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. See, whoop, the key's way in there. I got to get in here to get the key. Take a look at that quarter panel. Look how nice and straight it is. I love the meats on the back. Taillight bezels look like they're original to the car. They're in good shape for being from 1969. Center Mercury here looks good. Chrome on the back bumper also looks great. Inside the trunk, we've got a cover. Got nice paint, nice wheel wells. The battery's mounted here in the trunk. All the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. The lips here on the deck lid look great. Looks like the rubber was replaced also. Now look down the side of this thing. Look how nice and straight the paintwork is. She's straight as an arrow. Look how the door fits there. Now the moldings here also, they look original to the car. They're in awesome shape for being from 1969. The lips here, look at those door lips. They look great. And again, they had the latch out. Rubber looks like it was replaced. Doors shut nice. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own all of our cars. We were proud enough to buy them. We inspect them when they get back here so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out the black interior and that 4-speed shifter. Check out the door panel. She looks beautiful. The armrest is in great shape. Threshold looks good. Carpeting looks great. Steering wheel looks good. Got one little crack in it. Dash pad's in great shape. Center console looks like it's brand new. That 4-speed shifter, that makes this car super rare. Seats are in good condition. Rear seat doesn't look like it was ever sat in. Look how big that package tray is in the back there. And the headliner, it's beautiful. Even the dome lights work in there. And check out the gauges. All the lenses on the gauges look good. The dash itself's in good shape, never been cut on. This is one beautiful car inside and out. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. let's go for a ride. 69 Cyclone, guys. These are super rare. I know a little bit about these. My dad's had a couple of these cars. I've got one. So a little partial to this. Look at that. No hands on the wheel, driving nice and straight. Of course, this is the one that put Ford on the map in NASCAR. This car was winning all the races. This one in the Torino. Guys just couldn't catch them. The aerodynamics on the car, phenomenal. This is really rare with the 4-speed. There just wasn't very many of them out there. R code 428 under the hood. I mean, look at that thing. Going straight down the road, shifting through the gears nice and easy. There's my buddies at Mustang Racing Technologies. Downshifting nice, getting around this corner. Now, Tommy can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He would love to tell you all about this super rare car. She's got all of her original metal. It's the original motor in this thing. It's got beautiful floorboards. You're gonna love checking this one out. Now, if you happen to be in Detroit on business, make sure you give us a call. We're right outside the Motor City, only 20 minutes from the airport. Normally, I'd put the hammer down right now, but we got this slowpoke pulling out in front of us. Maybe we'll just go around him. That's what this car was made to do, is pass people. How's that? I forgot to point out down on the dash, the tach's actually working, the speedo's working. It's just got the AM FM radio in it. Who cares? It's got an awesome exhaust on it. Here's our shop right outside the Motor City. That's a real numbers matching Boss and a 68 Charger 440 car. Now stick around, because we're gonna put this baby on the lift and check out the underside, and we'll get under the hood also. All right, we're underneath the 69 Cyclone now. As you can see, she's nice and clean under here. It's got a fairly new exhaust system on it. Drop downs look good. Bottom of the quarters look good. Trunk floor looks good. Looks like we got new bushings at one time there on the spring pack. They have added air shocks to the car. It does look like the brake lines were probably replaced at one time a few years back. And one of the things we do here at Vanguard is we'll pull the brakes all the way apart, make sure everything's in good working order. Now, we rolled the rear end over. It is not a posi, and it's right around a 355 gear. Frame is in great shape. Back sides of the rockers look good. Pinch weld looks good. Floors are all original to the car. It looks like the undercoating is also original to the car. Straight exhaust back here to these Flowmaster mufflers. Drive shaft's in good shape. Now, the trans, the dates on the trans seem to match up. The way that the guys are decoding it, it was built in December of '68. And then the motor numbers, the motor was actually built in January of '69. And the partial VIN back here on the back side of the head, it looks like the number's upside down. It's faintly stamped in there, but boy, it sure looks exactly like the VIN. So we're dead set saying this baby is numbers matching, guys. Disc brakes up front, steering gear all looks good. Looks like the lower control arms were redone. The radius arms were definitely redone. Sway bar looks like it's aftermarket and it's been redone. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Doesn't look like it was ever smacked in the front or anything. Chrome on the front bumper's definitely been done. This is one beautiful, nice, solid Cyclone underneath. Super rare car here, guys. Let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, we got brand new magnums on the car. We've even got the Mercury Man center caps. It's got brand new BFGs. We got 225/60/15s. Wheel lip moldings look good. Inner wheel houses are nice and clean. I always check down here at the bottom of the fender, feel around, telltale sign on whether something's rusty or not, and this one feels nice and smooth. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back we got more meat here. We've got Two 75/60 15s, same good looking brand new Magnums, same good looking Mercury Man. And another thing, you can always feel these wheel lips where that inner wheelhouse goes to the quarter. That's nice and straight, just two thin pieces of metal there. She's beautiful. Well, let's get under the hood and check out that numbers matching 428. All right, we're under the hood of this baby now, and she looks great. It's got the Ram air cleaner here. That's original to the car. All the actuators are there. It's got great looking valve covers on it. It looks like it's got a Ford intake on it also. It's got a Ford radiator in it still. She's got power steering, power brakes. The paintwork on the inner fenders here looks good. The firewall looks great. It does have an MSD distributor and an MSD box over here firing it up. Everything's super clean under here. Really, really rare find here, guys. 1969 Cyclone, R code, numbers matching 428, and it's got a 4-speed. That's one of the things that makes it so rare. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.